మొత్తం ప్రపంచం మహమ్మారి మరియు వైరస్ యొక్క కోపానికి భయపడుతుండగా చాలా మంది అంతరాయాలు లేకుండా జీవితం సాగేలా చూడటానికి అన్ని అసమానతలతో పోరాడుతున్న వారు కొందరున్నారు. దేశంలోని యువత వారి గ్యాడ్జెట్లకు అతుక్కోవడం లేదా వారి ఆన్లైన్ సెషన్లను నిర్వహించడం వల్ల ఈ కారణంగా ఎక్కువగా ప్రభావితమవుతారు. కొద్దిగా మసాలా మరియు కొద్దిగా పరధ్యానం ఎల్లప్పుడూ యువత యొక్క ఈ ప్రాపంచిక జీవితంలో తేడాను తెస్తుంది. సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని పూర్తి స్థాయిలో పెంచడం ద్వారా విద్యార్థుల కార్యకలాపాలు మరియు చేరిక మరియు క్యాంపస్లో పాల్గొనడం ఇది వర్చువల్ వీడ్కోలు ధోరణి లేదా ఒక ప్రత్యేక రోజు వేడుక అయినా రేవా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం ఈ సంఘటనలో ప్రభావితం కాకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. కాబట్టి ఇంజనీర్స్ దినోత్సవం బెంగళూరులోని రేవా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం 53వ ఇంజనీర్ల దినోత్సవాన్ని 2020 సెప్టెంబర్ 15న ప్రత్యేకంగా వర్చువల్ ద్వారా మరియు ప్రత్యేకంగా ఈ వేడుకలో మొత్తం రేవా సమాజం కలిసి ఉండేలా చూడటం ద్వారా జరుపుకుంది. ప్రపంచంలోని తడిసిన ఆత్మలను మరియు ముఖ్యంగా యువతను దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకొని ఇంజనీర్లు తిరిగి జీవితానికి తీసుకొచ్చే ఆశ యొక్క ఆత్మ మరియు విలువ యొక్క ఆత్మ చెక్కు చెదరకుండా ఉండేలా ప్రతి ప్రయత్నం జరిగింది. సెప్టెంబర్ 15, 2020 ప్రముఖ భారతీయ ఇంజనీర్ మరియు రాజనీతిజ్ఞుడు రేవా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం యొక్క పురాణ ఇంజనీర్ మోక్షగుండం విశ్వేశ్వరయ్య పుట్టినరోజు నాట్య రూపం ద్వారా మైసూరు సమీపంలోని కావేరి నదిపై కృష్ణరాజ సాగర ఆనకట్ట నిర్మాణాన్ని చిత్రీకరించారు. అతని విజయాల యొక్క అందమైన ప్రదర్శన నృత్య రూపం మొత్తం కార్యక్రమానికి స్వరాన్ని సెట్ చేసింది.
शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगुं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि.
రేవాలో 2020 సెప్టెంబర్ 15న మొట్టమొదటి వర్చువల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ డే కార్యక్రమం ఉదయం 11 గంటలకు రేవా విశ్వవిద్యాలయ ప్రాంగణంలోని కువెంపు ఆడిటోరియం నుండి ప్రారంభమైంది. విద్యార్థులు మరియు పూర్వ విద్యార్థులు వారితో పంచుకున్న లింక్ను ఉపయోగించుకున్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమం మొత్తం విద్యార్థులు తమ ఇళ్ల నుండి ప్రత్యక్షంగా చూసేటప్పుడు రేవా ఎంత డిజిటల్గా సిద్ధంగా ఉందో ఈ సంఘటన నిరూపించింది. రేవాలోని వర్చువల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ డే సన్నాహాలు ఒక వారం మరియు మరిన్ని జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఎందుకంటే విద్యార్థులు వివిధ పోల్స్ మరియు పాల్గొనే ప్రచారాలపై సోషల్ మీడియాలో నిమగ్నమయ్యారు. రేవాలోని స్కూల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్తో పాటు యుఐఐసి చేసిన అన్ని ఆవిష్కరణలను ప్రదర్శించారు. ఈ ఇంజనీర్ల దినోత్సవం యొక్క థీమ్ అన్ని కాంప్లెక్స్ ప్రక్రియలను సులభతరం చేయడం. ఇది వాస్తవానికి ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఇంజనీర్లు చేస్తున్నది. ఈ సంఘటన యొక్క ముఖ్యాంశం రేవా యొక్క క్రిస్టల్ ఇయర్ ప్రయాణం. ఇది మన ప్రపంచానికి ఇంజనీర్ల సహకారానికి సరైన సారాంశం మరియు విశ్వవిద్యాలయం యొక్క ఇంటర్ డిసిప్లినరీ అంశాన్ని ప్రదర్శిస్తుంది. ఈ సందర్భంగా విశ్వవిద్యాలయ ఛాన్సలర్ డాక్టర్ పి శ్యామరాజు మాట్లాడుతూ ఇంజనీర్లు మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న ప్రపంచానికి విలువను పెంచుతారు మరియు రేవా ఈ సరైన సమయాన్ని రుజువు చేస్తోంది మరియు సమాజానికి వివిధ సహకారాన్ని అందించండి. విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో ఆవిష్కరణ మరియు నిరంతర పరిశోధన. మేము త్వరలోనే ఈ వేగంతో కొనసాగితే మనం పరిశోధన కోసం విశ్వవిద్యాలయంగా కూడా తెలుసుకుంటాం. ఉదయపు ముఖ్యాంశం ఏమిటంటే సమూహం యొక్క ఉనికి యొక్క గత 15 సంవత్సరాలలో రేవా యొక్క ప్రయాణాన్ని సంగ్రహించిన వీడియో. ఇది రేవా వద్ద పర్యావరణ వ్యవస్థ ఏర్పడింది. ఈ వీడియో చాలా సరళంగా చిత్రీకరించబడింది. ఇంజనీరింగ్ యొక్క అన్ని ప్రధాన విభాగాల సమిష్టి కృషిగా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం రూపొందించబడింది. కాలిఫోర్నియాలోని SWE ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎలెక్ట్ శ్రీమతి రాచెల్ మోర్ఫోర్ట్ నుండి వీడియో నోట్ ప్లే అయినందున రేవా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం తన SWE గ్లోబల్ సభ్యత్వాన్ని ప్రకటించింది. ఇది కాకుండా ఇండియన్ నేవీ యొక్క మొదటి ఉమెన్ పైలట్ ఇంజనీర్ అయిన లెఫ్టినెంట్ శివాంగి తన వీడియో నోట్ ద్వారా రేవా ఇంజనీర్లకు తన శుభాకాంక్షలు పంపారు. ప్రొఫెసర్ రోటం నరసింహకు రేవా ఇంజనీర్ల కోసం ఆడియో నోట్ ద్వారా తన ఆలోచనలను పరస్పరం పంచుకోవడంతో ఆయనకు సన్మానం జరిగింది. ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న రేవా పూర్వ విద్యార్థుల ఇంజనీర్లు, పరిశ్రమ సహకారులు మరియు సహకారం కోసం రేవాని తమ ఎంపిక గమ్యస్థానంగా చేసుకున్న ఇతర శుభాకాంక్షలు.
वन्दित्वमाते ज्ञानस्वरूपे अमिते अतुले अतिशयगहने तवदासोऽहम् वीक्षण परिवेक्षण अतुलित अन्वेषण बुद्धि प्रचोदन विस्मयकारिम्
नमो विदूरन ज्योतिस्वरूपिणे विश्वतोमुख अनन्तवाहिनी
रेवानामार्गित श्रीमतीत प्रसारित ज्ञानदानस्वरूपे देवालय जय हे तवदासोऽहम्
May I now request Dr. K. Mallikarjuna Babu, Vice Chancellor of Reva University, to welcome all our dignitaries and stakeholders.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Engineers Day in India is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of greatest Indian engineer, Bharat Ratna, Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, popularly known as Sir MV. He was an engineer, statesman, and scholar par excellence. Sir MV was a remarkable man who defined work ethos, research, innovation, integrity, and professionalism at work. On this occasion, I pay my tribute to Bharat Ratna Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Reva University has a unique place in engineering education. With its multidisciplinary approach and vibrant ecosystem, Reva provides a plethora of opportunities for students learning. The ecosystem consists of research, innovation, centers of excellence, industry connect, internships, hackathons, capstone projects, startups, incubation, entrepreneurship, and so on. Quality engineering education is the key to build a sustainable world. Taking a cue from this, our educational practices at Reva are molded to prepare future engineers to contribute towards long-term sustainable development. At Reva, we make untiring efforts to create future workforce to meet the industry expectations and real-time challenges, following the mantra, training, transition, and transformation. Now, I have a pleasant duty to welcome the distinguished gathering, both physically and virtually, to the 53rd Engineer Day celebrations.
This Engineers Day, I take pride in congratulating our Chancellor Sir for his immense contribution to engineering and technology. Sir, may we have you on the days as all of us visualize your journey and contributions.
Engineering is all about a scientific adventure, a making of history with innovation, of processes and techniques, of equipment and creativity, and of intelligence that drives to the world of amazement. On the occasion of Engineers Day, we wish to thank one of the amazing engineers in the true sense of spirit who is responsible for creating this world of Reva in our lives. A man who dared to dream, to venture, to seize every opportunity and to construct co-create and create an ecosystem of education at REVA with his scientific spirit, vision and dream is none other than our Chancellor, Dr. P. Shyamaraju, the founder Chancellor of REVA University. As we celebrate our crystal year of existence of RECT, this video captures his vision of perfect example of an engineered world, an ecosystem that stands for sustained development. REVA has been completely digital. REVA began its journey by offering unparalleled programs of study in engineering in its initial phase. Today, we have grown to be a multidisciplinary university. In this process of creating the world of REVA, he put together the expertise and knowledge and skills of all those who belong to the basic disciplines of engineering. With this thought in mind, he put together the entire structure of REVA, which is today an ecosystem of its own. A perfect example isn't that to prove how interdisciplinary expertise and working brought together and co-created an entire new world of existence for us. Do watch the synergy of the entire process as mechanical engineering, which is the king of engineering, began work at the campus with excavation with machinery. The larger equipment that went into the initial stages of construction to civil, which brought in surveys and measurements and construction plans and project work to the dream sketch and concept of the architecture team. The team of architects, as they drew and visualized the entire REVA community to the work of circuits and electrical layouts as worked on by the electrical engineering team. The installation of it to electronic devices that makes REVA a digital world too is an example of electronic engineering. And last, but certainly not the least, Internet of Things, which makes our existence a lot more simpler and a perfect example for the contribution from the computer science and information technology. That is the marvel we unravel today, the engineer of REVA University, our Chancellor, Dr. P. Shyamaraju, wishing him a very happy Engineers Day.
ఇంజనీర్స్ డే శుభాశయಗಳು అందరికీ నమస్కారం. 53వ ఇంజనీర్స్ డే శుభాశయాలు. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్ అండ్ ఐ విష్ యూ 53rd ఇంజనీర్స్ డే. You have seen this video. I myself surprised how this journey going on from last 16 years in REVA, earlier to that in Divyasri. Really, I feel I am blessed. The reason is I hear a lot of praises from people who occupied our facilities, that is whether it is commercial, that is IT buildings, or residential. That feedback gives me a lot of satisfaction in as a builder. Now, as an educationalist from last 15 years, looks like I also contributed something to the educational field and the society through this REVA University. This is because I proudly say, because of the hard work done by the engineers in engineering streams, teachers, whether it is science stream, management stream, or commerce stream, or arts and humanities, or performing arts, or architecture, law, whatever, in all their reforms, they are doing hard work, and the students are definitely responding and performing well because of their contribution, their hard work, their performance. And also I have to thank the parents who supporting us, having the confidence year on year and going up, improving their confidence in REVA. I could able to see the progress that is giving me a lot of satisfaction. Yes, even giving the again the strength to again and again I have to do more and more. This is the beauty of REVA. The whole, whether it is Divyasri or REVA always think about the stakeholders.
At REVA, the University Industry Interaction Center, UIIC, is a strategic, multidisciplinary center committed to work as a catalyst for promoting collaboration amongst academicians, scientists, and industrialists. The objective behind the working of the center is to achieve competitiveness in developing technical manpower for the socio-economic development under the present scenario of global competition and challenges. UIIC strives to excel as the best interaction center in the university system by promoting collaboration between university and industries, government sectors for imparting quality education and employability skills. When it comes to student support and skill development, intellectual property rights, innovation, entrepreneurship, and product development, being student-centric, UIIC helps not only improve their skills to be industry-ready by certified courses, but also in improving the skills with exposure to live projects with internships. UIIC also strives with international collaboration to upskill students and employees alike. Collaborations with institutions and organizations across the globe within countries such as Sri Lanka, Japan, USA, Afghanistan, England, and Malaysia indicate the growing success. NEST enables build the entrepreneurial ecosystem of REVA by empowering and nurturing student startups as well as incubating innovative startups. NEST offers support of rapid prototyping, fundraising, global exposure, business networking, and other value-added services to the 20 startups of different sectors incubated. At each stage of their startup, we have expert faculty and industry mentors guiding them in the right way. NEST is supported by MHRD, MSME, Government of India. NEST has also collaborated with LG Soft India for incubation and acceleration programs. The pandemic era has not been an easy journey for any of us. We are immensely proud to see the faculty members and students of REVA University rise against adversities faced in this crisis. We thank everyone for their innovation, creativity to create opportunities from this crisis towards the betterment of the stakeholders of our university. Faculty members and students of REVA University have truly adopted and put into practice our Honorable Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar campaign to be self-reliant and create solutions to problems faced by the community around us. Crowning the spirit of innovation has been the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements, ARIA award that REVA fetched this year, which has enabled a young university like us to reach band A of the rankings for 2020. A jewel in the crown, indeed.
May I request Dr. N. Ramesh, Dean, Training and Placement, to read the citation penned in recognition of the great work done by Professor Rodam Narasimha.
Good morning. It is my pleasure to read the citation of Professor Rodam Narasimha. Professor Rodam Narasimha, FRS, is one of the brilliant academicians of India. At the age of 87 years, he is not only an active researcher, but also providing leadership to many of the frontline scientific programs of India. In fact, he is out and out an ardent research scientist. Rodam Narasimha was born in a village of Karnataka, India in the year 1933. He had a very distinguished academic career. He took his Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Mysore and Master of Science degree from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He started his research career at the prestigious California Institute of Technology, Caltech, USA. He specialized himself in the fields of aeronautics and physics and took his PhD from Caltech. His research interest varied from basic developments in fluid mechanics, atmospheric sciences, rare-field gas dynamics, aerospace science. His outstanding contributions and discoveries in these fields of research became well known throughout the scientific world. He received many scientific awards from institutions in India and abroad. Can we have the audio of Dr. Roddam Narasimha, please?
Chancellor Dr. Shamraju, faculty and students of Reva University, one that's now becoming widely known all across the country. And I believe it has even made its presence known in the world. Well, when I think of Reva University, my mind goes back to the right visit I made, I think, a couple of years ago to this university, and how greatly I was impressed by the campus itself in the first place, the whole set of impressive stone buildings surrounded by beautiful greenery. Well, I wish Reva a brilliant future on this day of Sir M.V.'s birth. He was the greatest engineer that Mysore State ever produced, perhaps even India, in those times certainly, with a passion for building an industrial Mysore, from soap and sugar, iron and steel, automobiles and aircraft. May you follow his lead and build a university that Vishweshwaraya would have been proud of. All the best to you. Thank you very much.
This year, we have gone ahead and become proud members of Society of Women Engineers SWE Global. With more than 45,000 members around the globe, Reva University is now an SWE member. We also have the videos from Ms. Rachel Morford, President-elect SWE. Rachel Morford is the Principal Director at the Aerospace Corporation of El Segundo, California, where she manages a team responsible for the integration of multiple space and ground programs. Rachel Morford has been recognized with the Aerospace Women of the Year Award and the Aerospace Commitment to Our People Diversity and Inclusion Award, USA. Video, please.
Hello, my name is Rachel Morford, and I am the fiscal year 2021 President-elect of the Society of Women Engineers, or SWE. On behalf of SWE, I wish all engineers of Reva University, staff, students, and alumni a very happy Engineers Day.
And next we have Mr. Paul Robichaud, Managing Director, SWE India, also has a few words for all our women engineers through this video note. Video, please.
Hi, I'm Paul Robichaud, Managing Director of SWE India. On behalf of the Society of Women Engineers, I wish all Reva engineers, both staff and students and alumni of Reva, a happy Engineers Day.
We also have a few thoughts from our industry partners and collaborators. To begin with, let us have the testimonials of our alumni students from across the world.
My name is Roshni Menon, and let me start by wishing all engineers and soon-to-be engineers a very happy Engineers Day. It is an honor to be able to virtually connect with all of you today. I'm currently in Virginia, USA, where I work as a release manager for MicroStrategy. Let me finally end by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to everyone at Reva University, Chancellor Sir, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, each and every one of you. Thank you for this opportunity to speak to you today. Stay safe and happy Engineers Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidya Sagar, alumni of Reva. Wishing you all a very happy Engineers Day. And on this day, I would like to remember all the faculties who have helped me grow to where I am today and helping out in all my career prospects.
Let us have the testimony from our industry partners and collaborators.
Dear management, administration and faculty of Reva University, dear students and parents, it is a great pleasure for me to address you regarding the Engineers Day 2020. My name is Hubert Weilert. I live in Bangalore for more than 25 years and was heading EFD induction. Between 1987 and 1994, I worked as electronic engineer and project manager in projects with the Indian Space Research Organization. You can be happy to study at one of the best universities in the country, Reva University, and I wish you all the best, especially in this difficult period until we are behind Corona. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sub-Lieutenant Ms. Shivangi is an Indian Navy first women pilot.
First of all, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Engineers Day. It's really nice to see that Reva University Bangalore has organized a virtual Engineers Day celebration this time. Because of this entire COVID-19 situation, I know it has affected our life at some point or the other. So it's really nice to see that an educational institution is putting in that extra effort to make sure that the quality of education that you're getting is not hampered at any point of time. So all the best. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Ms. Shivangi. Could we also watch the AV of all the engineering schools?
I wish all the engineers and budding engineers Happy Engineers Day on occasion of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya birth anniversary. We at REVA School of Civil Engineering offers BTech in Civil Engineering and MTech in Computer Aided Structural Engineering, Transportation Engineering and Management, Construction Technology and Management.
Greetings to all. Happy Engineers Day. The School of Computing and Information Technology is ranked 29th position countrywide from the popular DataQuest magazine.
Happy Engineers Day to all fellow engineers. The energy security of India plays a vital role in industrial growth and economy.
Thank you all the directors and deans. Before we conclude the program, I request Dr. B.P. Divakar, Dean, Research and Innovation Council, REVA University, to propose the vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Today is a proud moment, not only for all the engineers, but also for everyone. Few of the attributes such as innovation, ethics, time sense of giving back to the society, preparation before work, equality, etc. are what make him a great human being.
ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న రేవా పూర్వ విద్యార్థుల ఇంజనీర్లు పరిశ్రమ సహకారులు మరియు సహకారం కోసం రేవాని తమ ఎంపిక గమ్యస్థానంగా చేసుకున్న ఇతరులకు శుభాకాంక్షలు.